Welcome back to my revolutionary way of controlling your minds. Welcome to part 14. Fuck! Fuck 'em all! No. On a nice rainy day. Superstitious. Yeah, lots of them. Let's go burn them all. Kabang! Here. You'll be safe over here. For now. A dumb flippin' puzzle. Ain't not gonna work. Come on, zombie. You missed. Oh. You never wanna mess with me. Sorry, zombie. I'm nobody's meat snack. I reload. Come on, zombie. Follow me.
Wait, follow me.
Hurry up. Hurry up, Ashley. Oh, mamma mia. Mamma mia, mamma mia, mamma mia, mamma mia, mamma mia, mamma mia. Gotcha. Now come with me, Ashley. Or die where you stand.
Wait.
Ammo here. I thought you would burn me. Wasn't I? Poor zombie. Come on. Nobody dare kills my friends. Not even on Google. Or on YouTube or on Facebook. Yeah! Now we're back in the cave here. In the back cave.
Wait. Welcome.
No, give me back my guns!
Rare. What are you selling?
Well, I'll show you what you're selling.
What are you selling? What are you buying? Not enough cash.
Oh, not enough cash.
You said, what are you selling? What are you buying? Not enough cash. What are you buying? What are you selling? Is that all? Thank you. What are you selling? What are you selling?
Oh, ammo.
Is that what are you buying? Not enough. Not enough cash, stranger.
Oh.
What are you buying? What are you
Oh, well,
buying?
I don't care.
Not enough
Don't
cash.
even care.
Come back, baby.
Come back and get.
Follow me. Wait.
Guys, on Google, or anywhere else, if I have been rude to any other people, I'm sorry. I wanted to say it for the heck of it. Yeah, I'm sorry for being rude to any YouTubers or any other people. I don't like being mad at people that post nasty stuff on Google. So anyways, let's do this. Yeah, I'm sorry again. Yeah.
Follow me.
Ba 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 ba. Yeah. That's shocking. Oh. If you guys know, you need to protect Ashley, and
Wait.
after the game you'll get a surprise.
Hey, what are you looking at?
Oh, I'm not looking at nothing, only your head, so I can eat your brains. Boxers! Yeah! Everybody's so crazy! Hey people, I'm crazy in a good way. No, not in a bad way, but in a good way. So we need to enter the farm of clues again. The farm of clues again. Oh, I know you heard that.
You kid.
Oh, you think so? Your zombags are so hilarious. Hilarious! Yes, of course. Oh. Dumb flip. Oh. I don't mind damn thing. And you go. Let's go all the way down here, all the way down here, all the way down here, all the way down here.
Follow me.
Oh. Actually, this isn't the farm of clues and I should have seen that coming. Oh. Oh yeah. Hide. What just happened around here? My camera working now? Oh. Let's release Sarah and the third party. The whereabouts of Sarah are still unknown. Most likely, he's using an old secret passage taught to him by his grandfather, who used to hunt in this region long ago. I'm pretty certain that he's hiding our property somewhere in the forest. If his grandfather was still alive, I would have used to find him by now. But how did he find out of an egg injected into his body? And the fact that he was able to remove it before it hatched is cancering. Another factor that concerns me is that Sarah escaped with our property just before the American agent arrived. I don't believe that I was just a conjunction. There has to be another player involved in this. In order to settle this whole situation, we have to capture Sarah and wait for the effects of the drug to wear off before we inject him with another egg. Once this is done, whoever is behind all of this will suffer. Nobody shall interface with our plans. Those who do shall suffer severe consequences. Holy heck. Rack. Saving complete. Well guys, I feel like if you enjoyed my gameplay, I am willing to make more of it, or make more random videos, and yeah, see you later.